What is mean? Mean is the mid value of the given series, is an average. F1 is, remember, F1 is 116, F0 is 72, F2 is 60. In order to find out the mode, find out the highest frequency, behind is F0, mean is equal to A plus or minus sigma Ft dash divided by N into C. Hello everybody, I am Dr. B.A. Subramaniam, Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidhyaashram, First Rate College, a temple of excellence. Yesterday, in the last class, I told you regarding the measure of tendency, how to find out the mean, how to find out the median, how to find out the mode. So, what is mean? Mean is the mid value of the given series, is an average. How to find out the mean for individual series? Sigma x over n. When the frequencies are given, how to find out? Sigma fx over n, where n is equal to total number of frequency. So when you go for a continuous series, what I told in the last class, mean is equal to A plus or minus sigma ft dash divided by n into c, where c is equal to class interval, A is equal to assumed mean, n is equal to total number of frequency, ft dash and deviation from the assumed mean, multiply from frequency to deviation, summation of sigma ft dash divided by n into c. So we'll go to next problem today. This is your problem. 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30. This is your frequency. See the frequency 3, 7 falls down to 6, 14, 8, 12. So there must be a variation in a number, then only it is called frequency. So there is a variation. See the board? 3, 7, fall down to 6, increase to 14, 8, 12. Now, we can add the figure frequency. Now, what is the first number? 3 plus 7 plus 6 plus 14 plus 8 plus 12. It comes to 50. So, n is equal to 50. So, add this. 3 plus 7, 10, 16, 28, 30, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5. So, the total number of frequency is 50. Find out the mid value. Mid value means add, this is the lower limit, this is the upper limit. Lower limit is called L1, upper limit is called L2. 0 plus 5 is 5, divided by 2 is 2.5. Then 5 plus 10 is 15, divided by 2 is 7.5. Increase everything by 5, next 12.5, next 17.5, next 22.5, next 27.5. This is your mid value. Then go with the D dash, deviation from the assumed mean. Deviation from assumed mean. You take the first figure as assumed. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Multiplied by f, ft dash. Multiplied by f. 3 into 0 is 0. 7 into 1 is 7. 6 into 2 is 12. 14 into 3 is 42. 8 into 4, 32. 12 into 5 is 60. I will repeat. 3 into 0 is 0. 7 ones are 7. 6 twos are 12. 14 threes are 42. 8 fours are 32. 12 fives are 60. Add the figure. Summation of this. Add one by one. What is the first one? 7 plus 12 plus 42 plus 32 plus 60. It comes to 113. 7 plus 2, 9, 11, 13, 112, 6, 9, 15. So add the figure. 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 2 is 11, 11 plus 2 is 13, 1 carry, 1 plus 1, 2, 4, 6, 9, 15, 153. I will repeat. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 plus 2 is 13. 1 carry. 1 plus 1, 2. 4, 6, 9 plus 15. This is sigma f t dash. Then CF for median is considered. What is the first number? 3. For 7 should be added, it becomes 10. 6 should be added, becomes 16. 14 should be added, it becomes 30. Then 8 should be added, 38. 12 should be added, 50. So in examination, you have to check the total and CF should be one and the same. It should be one and the same. 50 here is 50 here. Now we have to find out mean, median and mode. First we'll go with the mean. Mean is equal to, this is called x mean or mean of x. Mean is equal to A plus or minus sigma f t dash divided by n into C. What is A? Assume f t dash, f into d is cumulative, then n is equal to total number of frequency, C is equal to class interval. I will apply. What's your assume? 2.5 plus what is your sigma f t dash? 153 divided by number of frequency 50. Your class interval 0 to 5 means 5. Simplify this. This is 2.5. 5 tens are 50. 50 means 15.3. Add the figure. 15.3 is nothing but 17.80. If add, it mean becomes the 17.80. Mean is over. Then go with the median. Median is equal to n by 2. Number of frequency into 2. What is your n? 50 by 2. It comes to 25. Find 25 in CF. Where the 25 will come? It will come under 30. Class, find out the class. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That class you have to apply. So find out 25 in CF. It comes under 30. 30 class is 15 to 20. The constant frequency is 14. Apply. Median is equal to L1 plus n by 2 minus CF over F into C. What is median? Median is equal to L1 plus n by 2 minus CF over F into C. Apply. What is your L1 range? 15. Plus, what is your n by 2? 25. Behind the figure of what you selected here is 30. Behind figure is 16. Divided by constant frequency is 50. Your class interval is 5. Simplify this. 15. Deduct 25 minus 16 is 9. Divided by 50 into 5. Simplify these. 15 plus 5 tens are 15. 9 divided by 10 is 0.9. It is 15.9. This is your median. So how to apply? What is the first procedure? Make the F into CF cumulative frequency. Apply the formula. Median is equal to n by 2. Find out 25 in cumulative frequency. It comes under 30. The class is 15 to 20. 15 is called L1. 20 is called L2. Apply. Median is equal to n by 2. 25. Median is L1 plus n by 2 minus CF over F into C. Apply. L1 is 15. 25 minus 16 divided 15 to 5. 25 minus 16 is 9 divided by 50 into 5. So 5 tens are 0.9. So 15.9 is your median. Then I told you regarding the mode. Mode lies in highest frequency. Which is the highest frequency here? 14. You call this as F1. Behind is F0. Forward is F2. So your model class becomes 15 to 20. Which is the highest frequency? 14. That becomes the F1. F0 is 6. F2 is 8. And the class difference is 5. Your model class is 15 to 20. Now you have to apply the formula. Mode is equal to L1 plus F1 minus F0 over 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into C. All frequencies. So L1 is the lower limit, F1 is the highest frequency, F0 is the lowest behind frequency, F2 is the forward frequency, C is your class interval, L1 is the lower limit. If you go back, you can understand your highest frequency is 14, 6 is F0, 8 is F2. So 14, 6, 8, remember. Apply now. What's your L1? What's your L1, which is the lower limit? 15. Apply that. 15. Which is the highest frequency? 14. Behind is 6. Next is F2. 14 minus 6 divided by 2F in 14 minus 6 minus 8. Your class interval is 5. Simplify these. 15 plus 14 minus 6 is 8. 14 twos are 28 minus 14 into 5. Simplify. This is 15, 8. Deduct 8 minus 4 is 4. 1 into 5. Simplify this. 15. 8 5s are 40 divided by 14. Simplify this. 15. Now divide. So 40 divided by 14 is equal to 2.85. 2.85. It comes to 17.85. This is your mode. How to find out the mode? Mode lies in highest frequency. Mode lies in highest frequency. That range is, what's your answer? 17.85. See that mode lies 50, which is the model class 15 to 20. Your answer should come between 15 to 20. Your answer is 17.8. Perfectly, you are right, because your answer is 17.85. So mode lies in highest frequency. F1 is 14, behind is 6, next is 8. Simplify. 8, 20 by 14. I simplify. Your answer is 17.85. I think you have followed. Shall I go slowly? What is your L1? Lower limit. F1 is highest frequency. F0 is the behind frequency. Then 2 into F2 is the forward frequency. C is equal to class interval. So we'll go to next problem. They have given the mid values. They have given the mid values. What is your steps to do? No? If we see the frequency, see that 6, 25, 48, 72, 116, 60, 38, 20. So it's a vacant. Up to here, no cumulative, but it falls down to 60 means it is a frequency. Now, 115 to 125 is how much is there? 115, 125, 10 difference is there. What you have to do in exam now? 10 divided by 2 is 5. Deduct 5, add 5 is say to make the class. How to do? 115, 125, the difference is 10. So there are 2 items, divided by 2 is 5. Deduct 5, add 5. Deduct 5 means 110, add 5 is 120. Deduct 5 is 120, add 5 is 130. Now construct the class. Class. So this is 110 to 120. How it is? Deduct 5, add 5. This 120 to 130. 130 to 140. 140 to 150. 150 to 160. 160 to 170. 170 to 180. 180 to 190. 190 to 200. I deduct the 5, add the 5. Deduct the 5 becomes 110, add the 5 becomes 120. Frequency remains the same. Find out the mid value. whatever given is your mid value. This is 115, 125, 135, 145, 155, 165, 175, 185, 195. What is the next step? Now, what your next step to follow is deviation. D dash. I told you, put the first number as assumed is 0. Continue 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you take the first number as 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What's the next step? FT dash, frequency into D dash. 6 into 0 is 0. 25 into 1 is 25. 48 into 2 is 96. 72 into 2 is 72 into 3, 216. 116 into 5, 116 into 5 is 580. 116 into 4, it will work out. 116 into 4 is equal to 464. What is the next one? 60 into 5 is 300. 38 into 6. 38 into 6 is equal to 228. What is next one? 22 into 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 2s are 14. 154. 8 3s are 24. This is 6 into 0, 0. 25 1s are 25. 42 into 2 is 96. 73 into 3 is 216. 116 into 4 is 464. 60 into 5 is 300. 38 into 6 is 228. 22 into 7 is 154. 3 into 8 is 24. Now add the figure. One by one, add the figure. What is the first number? 25 plus 96 plus 216 plus 464 plus 300 plus 228 plus 154 plus 24. It comes to 1507. 1507. Check the number. 5 plus 6, 11, 17, 21, 29, 33, 37, 3 plus 2, 5, 14, 15, 21, 23, 28, 30, 3 is there, 3 plus 2, 5, 4, 9, 12, 14, 15. 1507 is cumulative. This is sigma ft dash. Make the CF cumulative frequency for sake of median. What is that? It is not necessary because no, it is already in the there. So what we require for CF now for sake of median, cumulative frequency. What is the first one? 6 plus 25 is 31 plus 48 is 79. 79. So 6, 25 is 31 plus 48 is 79. Now 79 plus 72 79 plus 72 is equal to 151. 151 plus 116, 267. 267 plus 60, 327. 327 plus 38, 365. 365 plus 22, 387. 387 plus 3, 390. Verify this. 6 plus 5, 11, 19, 21, 27, 35, 37, 40. 4 carry. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 4, 10, 17, 18, 24, 27, 29. 2 plus 1, 3, 390. What is 390? Total number of frequency. Now we have to find out mean, median and mode. We'll go one by one. Mean is equal to A plus or minus sigma ft dash divided by n into c. What's your assumed? 115 plus what is sigma ft dash? 1507. What is total number of frequency? 390. Your class interval is 110 to 120 is 10. Simplify this. 115. Cancel the 0. So 1507 divided by 39 is equal to 38.64. 38.64. Add 115 plus 115 is equal to 153.64. 153.64. This becomes the mean. Now we'll go to median. Median is equal to n by 2. What's your n? 390 by 2. 390 by 2. 390 divided by 2 is equal to 195. Find 195 in CF. Your CF is there. Where the 195 will come? Comes under 267. That is your class. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 150. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is your class. Median is equal to L1 plus n by 2 minus CF over F into C. What is median? Median is equal to L1 plus n by 2 minus CF over F into C. What is your L1? Which range you have selected? 150. What's your n by 2? 195. Behind where it lies under 2 cell, behind this is your CF 151 divided by number of frequency 390 into your class interval is 10. Simplify this. 150 plus 195 minus 151, deduct 195 minus 151 is equal to 44 divided by, cancel the this 0, 0, it becomes 39. Simplify this. 150 divide 44 divided by 39. 1.12. It becomes 151.12. This is your median. So what is the steps to do? Median is equal to n by 2. Median is equal to n by 2. That is, find out the n by 2 in CF. Your cumulative frequency is 267. Behind this is 151. 195. Behind 151 divided by constant frequency is 390 into class interval is 10. So 150 plus 44 divided by 9. 44 divided by 39 is 1.12. It comes to 151.12. So your mean is over, your median is over. Then we'll go to mode. Mode lies in highest frequency. Which is your highest frequency? 116. This becomes the F1. 72 becomes the F0. 60 becomes the F2. Your class is 150 to 116. Which is the highest frequency? 116. Behind is 72. Forward is 60. So F1 is, remember, F1 is 116. F0 is 72. F2 is 60. Your class is 50 to 60. We'll solve the problem. Mode is equal to L1 plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into C. What is your L1? Lower limit. F1 is higher frequency. F0 is behind frequency. F2 is forward frequency. C is equal to class interval. If we see your number, which is highest frequency, 116. Behind is 72. Forward is 60. Remember, 116 is the F1, 72 is the F0, 60 is F2. Your class is 150 to 160. So 116, 72, 60. Come back. Your limit is 150, which is 116. 116. Behind number is 72. Forward number is 60. Minus 72 divided by 2 into F1 is 116 minus 72 minus 60. Your class interval is 10. 160 is the highest frequency. 72 is the F0. F2 is equal to 60. Your class difference is 10. Simplify this. 150 plus deduct 116. 2 plus 4, 12. 7 plus 4 is 11. 44. Multiply this. 2 6 are 12. 3 2 32. Minus can be added. 72 minus 62. This is 132 into 10. Simplify this. 150 plus 44. Deduct 132 minus 232 minus 1. 2 minus 2 is 0. 0, 100 into 10. This is 150 plus, cancel the 0. 44 divided by 10 is 4.4. This is 154.4 is your mode. Mode lies in model class. Mode lies in model class. If we see your class, you can understand where the mode lies. 155, 150 to 160. So your answer should become between 150 to 160. What's your answer? 154 means you are on the line. So you should lie between 150 to 160. Your answer is 154. So in order to find out the mode, find out the highest frequency, behind is F0, next is F2. I think you are following. Shall I repeat once again? Take down this. L1 is called lower limit. F1 is highest frequency. F0 is lowest frequency. 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into C. Take the formula. L1 plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2. What's your L1? 150. This is 116 minus 72 divided by 2 into 116 minus 72 minus 16 into 10. Simplify this. 116 minus 72 is 44. 116 into 2 is 232. 132 into 10, 44. If you deduct, becomes 100 into 10. Cancel 0. 44 divided by 4.4. It comes to 154.40. So, in the frequencies are given, you must be, it's all adding, no? It's a cumulative frequency. Then you have to convert it to a frequency. In the next problem, I can explain. We'll go to the next problem. Here, marks is less than 30, less than 40, less than 50. If you see the number of students, see the board. 8, 23, 48, 93, all are increasing. It is not the frequency. It's a cumulative frequency that should be converted into a frequency. So less than 30, 30 to 40, how much difference is there? 10. So deduct the 10, it becomes 20 to 30. Deduct 10, 30 to 40. The class starts now. Class. So bring out the difference. 30 to 40 is 10. Then deduct the 10. 30 minus 10 is 20. Your first class goes to 20 to 30. Then 30 to 40. Then 40 to 50. Then 50 to 60. Then 60 to 70. Then 70 to 80. Then 80 to 90. Then 90 to 100. So we have constructed the class. So mid value has been constructed into a class. That is less than is there. We have constructed into class. Difference between 1 and 2 is 10. I deduct the 10. 20 minus 30, deduct the 10. 30 minus 40. The class has given. The students are in cumulative frequency. Now you have to convert it into frequency. What is the first number? 8. Bring out the difference between 8 and 23. So it is 15 now. How to find out? What is the first number? 8. 23. So difference is 15. Bring out the difference between 23 and 48. It is 25. 48 to 93. 45. 93 to 120. 93 to 125. 32. 125 to 145, 20. 145 to 160, 15. 160 to 170, 10. What is the first number? 8. Difference is 15. This difference is 25. This difference is 45. This difference is 32. This difference is 20. This difference is 15. This difference is 10. Add the figure. 8 plus 5, 13, 18, 23, 25, 30. 3 carry. 3 plus 1, 4, 6, 10, 13, 15, 16, 17. In exam, no? In examination, this 170 should come here. When you make the cumulative frequency, this should be equal to how much many? 170. If the 170 does not come, it becomes wrong. What's your total? 170. Here also we got 170 means we did the properly, we did the frequency. This is n is equal to 170. Then mid value, he already given mid value. Add the figure. 20 plus 30 is 50. Divided by 2 is 25. So there is a difference of 10. Next go with 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95. How to find out? 20 plus 30 is 50. Divided by 2 is 25. Increase by 10. Now, what is the next step? D dash. First number is 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Multiplied by FT dash. Frequency dash. So, what's your frequency here? This is your frequency. 8 into 0 is 0. 8 into 0 is 0. 15 ones are 50. 25 twos are 50. 45 into 3 is 135. 32 into 4, 128. 20 into 500. 15 into 60, 6 is 90. 10 into 7 is 70. Add the figure. 5 plus 5, 10 plus 8, 18. 1 carry. 1 plus 1, 2. 7, 10, 12. 21, 28. 2 plus 1, 3, 4, 5. 588. Check the number once again. 5 plus 5, 10. Plus 8, 18. 1 carry. 1 plus 1, 2. 7, 10, 15, 20. This is 5 plus 5, 10, 18, 1 carry, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 21, 28, 2 carry, 2 plus 1, 3, 4, 5, 588. This is sigma ft dash. Then cumulative frequency for the sake of median. What is the first one? All cumulative is there. No, this is yours. Once again, if you want, 8, 23, 48, 93, 125, 145, 160, 170. This is your cumulative frequency. What you have to find out now? One is the mean, one is the median, one is the mode. What is the formula for mean? Mean is equal to A plus or minus sigma ft dash divided by n into c. We'll apply now. Mean is equal to A plus or minus sigma ft dash divided by n into c. What's your assume? 25. Plus, what's your sigma ft dash? 588. Divided by number of frequency, 170. Your class interval is 10. Simplify this. 25. Cancel the 0. Now, 588 divided by 588 divided by 17. It works out 34.58. For 34.58, add 25. It works out 59.58. This is your mean. As you done in the formula, so assume your ft dash is 588 divided by number of frequencies 170 into 10. Cancel the 0. If you divide now, it works out 34.58. For 34.58, you add 25. It becomes 59.58. Now, mean is over. We'll go to median. Median is equal to n by 2. What's your number of frequency? Is 170 divided by 2. 2 8s are 16. 1 remaining 85. Find out 85 in CF. 85 will come under 93. So range is 40 to 50. This is 1, 2, 3, 93. 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 93 is 50 to 60 range. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So your 50 to 60 range. 93. Apply. Median is equal to L1 plus n by 2 minus CF over F into C. Median is equal to L1 plus n by 2 minus CF into C. What's your L1? Which limit? 50 to 60 is 50. What's your n by 2? 85. Where we find out 85 under 93? Behind number is 48. Divided by constant frequency, divided by that particular frequency is 45. Into your class interval is 10. Apply 50. Deduct 85 minus 48. 37 divided by 45 into 10. Simplify this. 50, that 370 divided by 45. This is 50. Divide 370 divided by 45. It works 8.22. So 58.22 is your median. How to find out the median? Median lies in n by 2. N is the number of frequency. Find 85. 85 comes under 93. Your class is 50 to 60. Lower limit is 50, 85, 48 divided by 40. Simplify 37 divided by 45. Simplify this 8.22. So it works out 58.22. Then we'll go to mode. Mode lies in highest frequency. Mode lies in high. If you see your frequency, which is the highest frequency, 45. This becomes the F1. 25 becomes the F0. F2. So it lies between 52. So 45 is your F1, 25 is the F0, 32 is the F2. Remember, 45 is the F1, 25 is the F0, 32 is the F2. Then your class is 50 to 60. We'll apply the formula. Mode is equal to L1 plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into C. Mode lies in highest frequency. If you see your problem, which is the highest frequency here, 45, behind is 25, next is 32. Highest is 45, F0 is 25, F2 is 32. Apply that. Your class is between 50 to 60, 45 is the F1, 25 is the F0, 32 is the F2. Okay, your class is 50 to 60. Apply. L1 is 50, 45 is the one. Behind number is 25 divided by 2 into 45 minus 25. Your next number is 32 into your class interval is 10. Simplify this. Your number is 50. Deduct 45 minus 12. 5 minus 5 is 0, 20. This is 90. 25 minus 30. Add the minus can be added. 2 plus 5 is 7. 3 plus 2 is 5, 57. Your class is 10. Simplify these. 50 plus 20. Deduct 90 minus 57. 33 into 10. This simplify these. 50. 20 into 10 is 200 divided by 33. 50. Simplify this. This is 200 divided by 33 is equal to 6.06. This becomes 56.06. So, more should be lies in the model class. If you see your model class, you can understand your answer is 50C. What's your class if you have taken 50 to 60? Your answer has come between 50 to 60 means your answer is correct. Okay, we'll go to next one. Now, problem is now it goes like above 80, above 70, above 60, more than when you had this, no? So it has in the descending order. If you see that, no, 3, 8, 17, 13, all are increasing is there, no? You change that class. Now the class goes like this. From above 20 means difference is 10, no? The difference is 10, no? Go in the bottom line. 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90. Above 80 means this is the real class. Go with the descending order. Above 20 means 20 to 30. When it is in the decreasing order, go with the bottom. Above 20 to 30, 30 to 40. Then go. Now you have to find out the frequency. What is the first number? 50. 47. Difference is 3. Then 47, 42 is 5. First 50 minus 47 is 3. 47, 42 is 5. Then 42 minus 33. 42 minus 33 is 9. This is 33 plus 740 plus 9. 33 minus 17, 16. 17 minus 8 is 9. 8 minus 3 is 5. Retain the 3. Retain the 3. When I add this figure, see that how it will come. 3 plus 5, 8, plus 9, 17, 23, 32, 37, 40. 4 plus 1 is 15. So this range you have to arrive. How it will be? Difference between 50 minus 47 is 3, 47, 42 is 5, 42 minus 33 is 9, 33 minus 17 is 16, 17 minus 8 is 5, 8 minus 3 is 5. Retain the 3. The total should become 50. Your class is there, then mid value. 20 plus 30 is 50, divided by 2 is 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85. Difference of 10. So 20 to 30 is 50 divided by 25. Now D dash, first number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then FT dash, frequency 3 into 0, 0, 5 ones are 5, 9 twos are 18, 16 threes are 48, 9 fours are 36, 5 fives are 25, 3 six are 18. Add the figure, 5 plus 8, 13, 13, 8, 21, 27, 32, 8, 40, 4 plus 1, 5, 9, 12, 14, 15, 150. Once again, we make the total. 5 plus 8 is 13, 8 plus 8, 16, 21, 27, 32, 40, 4 plus 1, 5, 9, 12, 14. So this is sigma FT dash. Then cumulative frequency, CF for sake of medium. What is the first frequency? 3. For 5 should be added 8. For 9 should be added 17. For that 16 should be added 33. For 33, 9 should be added 42, 47, 50. This is for the sake of median. Now you have to find out the mean, median and mode. Apply. Mean is equal to A plus or minus sigma FT dash divided by N into C. Take the formula. Mean is equal to A plus or minus sigma FT dash divided by N into C. What is your assumed? 25. What is your sigma FT dash? 150. What is the number of frequency? 50. Into class interval is 10. Simplify this. 25. 15 threes are 150. 10 threes are 30. It becomes 55. Your answer is 55. I think you understand. Then we'll go to the median. Median is equal to n by 2. What's your n? 150 by 2. It comes to 75. Find 75 in here, no? Your n is equal to how much? 50. Sorry. N is equal to 50 divided by 2 is 25. Find 25 in CF. Where the 25 will come? It will come under 33. Your class is 50 to 60. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Formula. Median is equal to L1 plus N by 2 minus CF over F into C. Which range you have selected? Here, no? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 50. What's your N by 2? 25. Behind number is 17. Divided by constant frequency is 16. into class interval is 10. Simplify these. 50. 25 minus 17 is 8. 16 into 10. Simplify these. 50. 8 2s are 16. 2 5s are 10. It will come 5. 50 plus 5 is 55. So 55 becomes your median. So mean also 55, your median also 55. Then we'll go to mode. Mode lies in highest frequency. Which is your highest frequency? 16. This is your F1. Behind 9 is F0. F2 is also 9. Highest is 16. Behind is also 9. Forward also 9. Your class interval is 50 to 60. Mode is equal to L1 plus F1 minus F0 over 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into C. All frequency, I told you, your highest frequency is 16, behind is 9, forward also 9. So L1 is 50, this is 16, 9, 2 into 16 minus 9, forward also 9, your class interval is 10. So this is 50, 16 minus 6, 16 is equal to 7, this is 32, minus 18 into 10. This is 50, 17, 32 minus 18, 14 into 10. Simplify these. 50, 17 tens are 170 divided by 14. Simplify this. 50 plus 140 divided by 170 divided by 14. 170 divided by 14 works out 12.14. So it becomes 62.14. So I think understand, L1 is the lower limit, F1 minus F0 to F1 minus F0 minus F2 into C. So now we did mean, ordinary mean, more than, less than, when the mid value is given, all type of problems you have solved. So this will come for 20 marks is considered. So I say, I did today more than, less than, when the numbers are given. We did mean, we did median, we did mode. All the problems have solved now. If I am fast, you can ask me a question, I will go slow. I think all types of problems have solved. Till then, say goodbye. We'll meet you in the next class.